Hey, let's keep it going. Number 2, once again, looking at this limit and recognizing that this limit is actually the definition of a derivative of a function at a given point. So here, this to me, I'm thinking a is 5, okay? And if a is 5, if this used to be x, then f of x equals the fourth root of x, which is x to the 1/4. Well, let's see. F of 5 is the fourth root of 5. So that's f of x plus h minus f of x over h. So this is telling us to find the derivative of this at a equals 5. F prime of x using power rule, 1/4 x. Well, 1/4 minus 1 is 1/4 minus 4/4, negative 3/4. So now I need to find this at my given a value. F prime of 5 equals 1/4, 5 to the negative 3/4. So therefore, this is what this equals. 1/4 times 5 to the negative 3/4. Unsimplified answer. All right, so let's try the next one. So now this to me is looking like my second limit definition for derivative. If that's the case, then I'm going to say a is negative 1. So if that's the case, this is f of x minus f of a over x minus a. So if that's the case, f of x has to be negative 2 over x minus 3. Well, let's check. What's f of negative 1? Negative 2 over negative 1 minus 3 is, negative 2 over negative 4, which is 1/2. Check. So this is asking us to find f prime of x at a equals negative 1/2. So f prime of x equals, now for me, what do I see? I see quotient rule. This is the high, this is the low. You might see something different. I don't really think we could do this any differently. So let's do the product rule. Low, d high, the derivative of my high is 0 because it's a constant, minus high, negative 2, d low, the derivative of my bottom is 1, square the bottom, and away we go. So this term is just 0. It's gone. So I'm actually just left with positive 2 over x minus 3 squared, which for me is easier to look at simplified. So now I need to find f prime of 1/2, which is 2 over 1/2 minus 3 squared, which is unsimplified, but we're going to leave it there to save time. So that's equals 2 over 1/2 minus 3 squared. So let's try the last one together.